Welcome to BJT. Resources you will need.
Today again we will publish a value to the MQTT server, that is Adafruit.io, but here we will deal with analog value. So we have used analog sensor, so corresponding feed has been created here and that will be connected to analog pin. Temperature value variable has been created and the rest thing are same. And in the logic section we have to read this value using analog read function, and to convert this value into the appropriate Celsius we have to apply this formula so that we will receive into the Celsius. We have printed both value here, temperature value as well as Celsius, so that you can check it out. The temperature value default, if you forgot, then the value will become like this. Here we have to create feed first, as we have created feed here. So let's go to the Adafruit first, create a feed. Temp value, create. At the same time we will create a dashboard. We all create a new dashboard. Publish analog and create. In this case we will create a block gauge and associate with the temp value. Block name temperature and create block. You may check it out the feed values in form of graph also. In the circuit diagram, be careful, we have to provide power from the battery source and temperature sensor output goes to analog pin. Okay, upload the code, done uploading. Now remove the USB cable and remove the source power and do the circuit as per diagram. Power, VCC, ground, then the output signal goes to analog pin of node MCU. Circuit has been completed now. Now turn on the power first, then inserted USB and go to the Adafruit.io and go to publish analog. It is showing value 113. Why it is so? Let us check out the code once again. Oh, we have sent the temperature value, not the Celsius value. So we have to send it the Celsius value so that it will have to get the appropriate value. So please remember, we have to send this Celsius value to the server. So now I have inserted the power. I'll upload again. Let us check. Done uploading. Yeah, it is showing 50 degrees centigrade. So sensor is showing a bit more value. You got an idea that whenever we need analog value, it would be preferred to have gauge block in the dashboard section.
Please comment, like, and subscribe.